Guys, we are back with a new video. I haven't posted since February with that snowmobiling video. We got a new combine 6 days ago. It's an S770 2023, so it's pretty new. It's 2 years old. It's working pretty good. We haven't had any issues yet. This is our 3rd day of wheat harvest. We're just starting the headlands on a new field. Right now I'm running the grain cart on an MX 285 and the grain cart is a Kenzie 1050. Field we're harvesting is a 80-acre field, maybe 81 or 82, but roughly around that. We're loading again. It's really nice with this new combine because the auger's a lot longer, so I don't need to get as close to the header as I would with the old combine. With corn, because we have the 12-row head and that's smaller than this head. With the old combine, it would probably stick out this far off of the corn head. So I wonder how far this one will stick out off of. The new combine now. We're just about to unload. Yeah, it's really nice in here. We got all the new monitor, all the new display settings and stuff. Yeah. On the other combine that we had, the screen was like this big. It was probably a quarter of the size of this one. And then this looks a lot different. These buttons are the same. Yeah. I'll have it. Oh, and there's cameras all over this thing. Watch, I'll show you when we unload up here. Or right here, I guess. Yeah, so you see that camera, so you see this view, and there's a camera on the auger, which is really cool. And I can get out of this, hit this button, and look, you can see the grain tank unload. Yeah, so I'll just put it here and you guys can watch this. It holds more, but it unloads quicker. So yeah, and the header's still the same, but on the feeder house, there's a new feature where you can tilt, because before you can put your feeder house up and down, and then I think you can maybe tilt the header side to side, but this one you have a tilting feature where you can angle the header down. Instead of putting it, you can put it down, and so this will be going down, then you can angle it up or down. Yeah, so it's really cool. This combine, there's a lot more storage, there's storage, here's storage, those are small storage, this is storage, and then there's a fridge. Yeah, it's really nice. And the cab's bigger. It has these footrests, so you can stretch your legs out. We're harvesting. The moisture is 15%. You can see that right there. Bushels per acre. That's how many bushels per acre we are getting. Right now it's changing a lot. We've done 46 acres. We've been here for 4 hours, 4.5 hours. We've used 79 gallons pretty much. The average moisture is 15.87. and the wet yield is 105.75 bushels an acre. My wet volume is 4,924, and that's changing really quick with our wet volume stuff. And then we are 74% full, so I should probably unload, which I'm going to do right now. This time I'm going to, it's a little bit deep, I get it. Oh, wait, this one. I think that's a good view.
People I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from.
The grain buggy has a pretty full load. This isn't good though. In the fall or spring, this must have been like a wet spot, and all the wheat got washed out. So just weeds have been growing, I guess. There's no wheat in here. Tank's pretty well empty too. Well, that's because I just unloaded it, but yeah. Almost finished. We have 3 and like probably a quarter passes showing left. And looks like it's a pretty clean grain sample. There's a bit of trash, but it's doing pretty well. We'll see you on the last pass. I have to film the last pass, but I got when we finished the field. Yeah. Oh. So actually, this is a pretty wide like entrance from like the field to field. You can see the grain cart way over there. Well, we finished 3 of the fields of this farm today. I don't know how many fields there are here at this farm, but we got 68 acres, 68.68 acres done, and that took 6.5 hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next day. We are still at the same farm, just at a different field in it. The field that we did yesterday was not the field right there that you're able to see, but it was on the other side of that tree line, on the other side of that field. We did that one yesterday, and I filmed a bit in that, and you saw us finish it up and stuff. Yeah, so today we are just gonna finish up this field, and then we will move to the next field. Okay, I got a load for the truck now. I'm pretty full, I think. You can sort of see through that window there. You can see my speed, my gear, my RPM. I'm at the truck now. See my PTOs on right here.
People I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next?
Yeah, so now I shut off the thing. finished the field.
Okay, so I thought that was blue. It was just like the tree.
Yeah, we just finished up the field. There's no wheat left here. Maybe right there. Well, they're dropping the header off over there. I'm gonna go take a look of how much grain is in the buggy. Oh, it's pretty full. That bit's a pretty full grain buggy. I think it will all fit on the truck. Yeah. I'll see you at the next field now. Yeah, well, we're just opening up the next field, and that will probably be it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.